Welcome to 7 Boats Academy. Right now we will discuss about what is called 404 page not found error. Now what is called a 404? 404 is a server response code, that means page not found. For example, if you have a website, say we think about 7boats.com. Now if we click on this page, if the link URL is wrong here, if we click, the page will not open, and that time it would give you the error of page not found. Say for example, if you write 7boards.com slash whatever page name that is not existing over here, if you click on this, you see like a not found error here, like for say queuingplus.in. So if you click on this, so if I click on this, so you can see the not found error 404 page is here. So this is called 404 page not found error. For any website, we can say 10 to 15% is allowed for a page. So that means if you have a 100-page website, if 10 pages are not found, then it is okay. But if it's more than that, then it is not good. So you have to fix this 404 error. Now how to check what are the links that are broken in your page? So for that we would go to brokenlinkcheck.com. So we click on that. So online broken link checker. So we would click here with 7boats.com and we would click on find broken links. So we have to put the security code here. So it's B65CJ. So we find broken links over here. Now take another example. We say, so this page, we open this page here. Now if we type anything over here, we click on this, we see the server error, that is a 404 not found error. Now if you look into this page, from this page there is no link, no way back so that you can get back to the first page again. So this is called a pure 404 blank page error. Now for that we need a custom 404 so that people would not leave your website and so that they can browse other pages. In that way you can reduce the bounce rate of your web page, and you can increase the stickiness to your web page. Bounce rate means if somebody is visiting your website and only after visiting one page they are leaving your website, that is called a bounce rate. So here with custom 404 you can decrease the bounce rate and increase the stickiness of your website. For example, if you go to twitter.com, so you click here twitter.com, and if you search with any page that is not existing here, say for example we search with this, we click here and you see this page is just that does not exist. It's a 404 error page, but you see this Twitter brand color, Twitter logo here. You can go back to home, you can search here. So this is called a custom page, custom 404 page, so that you can again go back to the twitter.com website. Similarly here you can see in Hearing Plus, you can see this error 404, but still you can see the home, about us, other links here. You can see the different suggested pages here. You can see the contact form here. But if you see in this page, it is not there. So of course for SEO purposes we need to give custom 404 error page so that people can stick to your website. Or else what we can do, we can redirect all 404 error to 301 permanent redirect to home page, the way we have in our 7boats.com website. So if you search with any other pages like this, so if you click on this, you would be redirected to the home page itself. There is no custom 404, you would get the directly home page. So we have redirected the 404 every error page to 301 permanently redirected to our home page. So this is called 404 error page. So now the allowed limit is 10 to 15%. Now the tool is brokenlinkcheck.com. For any public website, you can see this broken link check website. So you can see here the URL and the SRC. So you can see the fordstory.com. If you click on the SRC page, so you see here the SRC page means what are the links that are broken, and URL means from which page it is broken. So you see the URL part is here. This is the URL part. That means from this page, if you check with Ford, so this link is broken. So for a 404 error page, 404 broken link, you have to fix the broken link and from where this is linked. So to fix this broken links, you have to go to this page, this page, and we have to remove this Ford and Sony, because it is showing here this Ford, this is the separate color box. You can see this is Sony and this is Ford. This is the anchor text Ford and this is Sony. So you can select both of them and you can delete from the WordPress backend this Sony and Ford. Now how to unlink these things? So if you click on any pages, so doing unlinking part, you can check here. So for example, if you want to unlink yoga in India, if you want to unlink it, you click here or you click in this remove, or you go to remove link, you click on this, so automatically the remove link could be removed. So here again you can see the SRC part is which links are broken and URL is from which page these are broken. So both of these are important. So you can check this publicly from brokenlinkcheck.com. Apart from that, you can check it out from the Google Search Console or Google Webmaster Tool from the HTML improvements part and also with the crawl error part. So you can go to crawl, you select here, you see the crawl errors, you check on this. Now you see the 404 error pages here. So you can see not found, that means 404 error. So 27 pages not found. So you can see here, this is the clients, this is services. So this page is not there. If you click on this page, so you can get both the URL and the SRC from which page it is linked. So you can see the linked from pages. So from all these pages this is linked. So you have to go to all these pages and you have to fix or remove this particular link from all these pages. So in this way, from Google Search Console you can get all the broken links and you have to fix it. So 10 to 15% is the allowed limit. More than that it is not good. So you have to go there and you have to fix everything. So this is called 404 error page, and the custom 404 means your developer, they have to develop a 404.html page, so that automatically whenever the page is not found, a separate page would open that would have your brand color, brand logo and other links, so that people would not leave your website and they can stick to your website. Thank you.